were moved up in that runway and photo shoots. Ooh, she just wants to be free. She suffered so long, trouble sinks more. She's in the pain, she don't leave things to get there. You can call me a dreamer, cause I wanna be a star in the sky. I'm older than life, but I might not look like what I believe. But it's coming to pass, it's coming to pass. Iti ole sope kolumaro. After the rain comes the sun. Oh, padala, oh, ladera. Just hold on and be strong. Iti ole sope kolumaro. After the rain comes the sun. Oh, padala, oh, ladera. Just hold on and believe.
Hi guys, I know. How you guys doing? This is Sisi Ope.
You guys, Larry has blown. He has arrived. He doesn't want to snap normal picture again. It's not celebrity picture. If you don't have 1 million, this one cannot snap you.
Yes, I can't stop.
You better snap me. That's what you should be doing right now.
They said life's meant for the feet, said I was weak and I was never gonna make it till the end. One be mo sorry, me will my hopes, my dreams on rolled away. Graduates, no job, all my life I do. Got to keep faith cause I'm going far, so I keep pressing on.
My makeup teacher.
Take to the sky, I'd elevate. The future's bright, ain't nothing less. Till I touch the sky. You can call me a dreamer, cause I wanna be a star in the sky. I'm older than life, but I might not look like what I believe. But it's coming to pass, it's coming to pass. Iti ole sope kolumaro. After the rain comes the sun. Oh, padala, oh, ladera.
Are we vlogging? Are we going to appear on your channel? We know her. Celeb. Hey girl.
Oh, padala, oh, ladera. Just hold on and be strong. Iti ole sope.
Look at this lighting. So I'm done with the GT fashion. I say fashion. GT food and drinks. We did 007. I went back to the studio, picked up my kit and my car, and then came for my client. Today is her birthday, and she's at the Radisson Blue Hotel. So that's Gertrude and Faith. Say hi. Hi. That's the newest member of Party by Sisi Ope squad. Ashakara plenty. Shift. Let me see Faith, Joe. Faith, Shala. Please just look at this bomb lighting. Don't I look like I have 50 billion in my account? Look at this. Let me show you a view. Please. First of all, I need to show you this room. This is what they call money things. And this is not standard room. This is like the biggest. And standard, we asked in the reception. Standard for a night was 91. I don't even want to imagine. I need to show you the view. My own is just, if I live here, I'll just be shooting every day. I can't. The view is insane. Just look at random people in the street. I just zoomed and it's so cute. Man, I deserve this room. I'm just admiring myself for no reason, just because this thing is... I look cute. So let's admire this makeup. And then my hair is out. I'm just losing that twist, and I have not washed it. I thought about washing it this morning, but then I'm just like, if I wash it, I will not really enjoy rocking it. So let me show you my outfit in the mirror. It's nothing mad, just basic. So yeah. No. I look like Otho.
After the rain comes the sun. Just hold on and believe. I believe I take possession. I believe I stand and fight. I believe. I believe.
This is not kill me today with our videography duty. Oh, this is low. So low, I can't do this. Look at children. These children's shit. Say hi, guys. Say hi. So, yeah. Nimbo, say hi. Like nothing like natural lighting, you guys see how this looks.
I believe my light will shine. I believe I'll touch the sky. I believe there's no stopping me now. Say I believe I'll take possession. I believe I'll touch the sky. I believe. I believe. I believe my light will shine. I believe I'll touch the sky. I believe there's no stopping me now. I faith, you gotta believe. After the rain comes the sun.
Hello. Hi. We're not the same thing. It's just that I got a side of shrimps. My food looks so pretty, God, I can't deal.
Just hold on and be strong. After the rain comes the sun. Everything's gonna be okay. Yeah, just hold on and be strong. Chase your dream. After the rain comes the sun. Everything be okay. Just hold on and be strong. Be strong. Yeah.
Hi guys, so today I am on my way to Burger. I've been craving burger endlessly, so I'm going to get myself one. But the traffic is insane. It's a Friday evening. I don't know why I did not think of that. Like, I need to show you guys the traffic. The traffic both ways, like, is on another level.
In the morning when I wake up, I know your love was there for me. At the break of each new day, I know your love is renewed to me. In the morning when I wake up, I know.
But this place is so pretty, actually. And then yeah, breakfast.
I know your love is renewed to me, my Lord, my God. It's in you I live and move. All that I have has come from you. All that I am, you made me to be. Your praise isn't far from me. No, no, it's right there on my knee. My God, will I lift it up for thee? Lift your voice. My God, will I lift it up for thee?
This one, they came to turn off.
Oh, I just have an announcement.
Turn off, baby. There's one.
Bàbá ti fẹ́ yàwó àfẹ́tán ni o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, báwa.
Pé ká máa sọ pé ìtàn ìlú wa bíbá kò sí nǹkan tó jọ o. Ẹgbàre wá o.
Báwa.
Àpò kẹ̀ǹgbà o. God bless you all.
I swear I'm full.
Àgbà.
Ẹ̀ka tí mo ṣe láti bọ́lá ni pé ó ń bọ̀ kí n ti yọ.
Yummy, I say I my vlog.
Ayálékúlé.
Guys, this is my baby brother that loves me. Hey, Yoruba demon. Let's look at your outfit.
Thank you everyone.
Eh, somebody's husband. Oh yeah, spray me money now. Spray me money. Eh, àbúrò mi. Sọ́dọ̀ yẹn. Ọ̀dọ̀ mi. Ìfọ̀ àgbàlá ẹ̀.
Ibẹ̀ lọ́lájú ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ̀ka
Òkúpa.
ibẹ̀ lọ́lájú ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwa ẹ̀ka ló ní
Jésù
Jésù.
o.
Ẹ̀ka
yes, now.
ibẹ̀ ìgbàgbọ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ̀ka ibẹ̀ ìgbàgbọ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwa ẹ̀ka ló ní Jésù.
Shaku,
Ẹ
shaku.
ṣe dáńsì.
My baby girls. You guys look so pretty. The light here is better. Let's wear shaku shaku. Shaku shaku.
Thank you very much. Right back now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call on the last person. I would like to call on the celebrant's Sureless ATM card, ATM machine.
Husband.
Thank you.